In this video, we teach you how to bridge your tokens from one chain to another using the FX Score and MarginX chains as examples. Once your FX wallet is connected, click on Bridge on your desktop to open up the FX Bridge page. Make sure you are bridging to and from the correct chains. In this case, we are bridging from FX Score to MarginX. Select your desired trading pair and currency before typing in your desired transfer amount. Alternatively, you can also click on Max if you would like to bridge your entire balance. Click on Transfer to confirm the bridging and the amount of gas fees required. You will receive a verification pop-up in your FX wallet. Tap on Sign and type in your password to verify the transaction. You should see the assets appearing in the correct chain in a few seconds.